Okay, I wanted to give a quick demo on this custom jig I use for working on propane tanks. I've mentioned it in past videos. I don't know why I never made a video about this before, but as you can see, I have a brand new tank I'm going to work on. I'm getting ready to grind off all the loose paint and these stickers, and it's already been devalved and depressurized to gas, of course, safely. And let me go into a quick explanation of how I did this. Take the tank off here. So I have a section of a pallet, and I've cut it down to this size. I reinforced it with 2x4. You need something pretty substantial to hold these, so that's why it's been reinforced. And then I've built up these jig sides, bolted them all on. I put rubber strips here, and that keeps the tank from trying to spin or move out of place when you're working on it. And this isn't just for grinding or cutting. This is most important when you want to devalve a tank. So that's literally locks it in place, and I'll give you a quick demo on how to devalve these. And of course, do it at your own risk. You want all the gas to be out before you even attempt this, and you want to be really safe. And the way I do it, the way I always do it now, I've tried many different ways, and this is the best way I found, is a good ball peen hammer and a cold chisel. And you're going to hit it counterclockwise and just get right on that valve right there, and whack, 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 whack. Once you get 1 or 2 rotations, it'll be loose. See this blue stuff in here? I don't know if it shows up on the camera. This is a really heavy-duty epoxy. They actually don't want you removing these, but that's why it's so hard to get them out. But that's the best way. The best way to hold it is this way. And I just put my left foot on here when I do it. It'll never slip, no problem. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching my channel. As always, take